Meaning of danger money.
Danger money.
Danger money.
Danger money.
Danger money. Danger money refers to an additional payment given to workers who are employed in hazardous or risky jobs. This payment is made to compensate for the higher risk of injury or death that may occur while performing these jobs. The amount of danger money paid to workers varies depending on the level of risk involved in their occupation. This type of payment is most commonly found in industries such as construction, mining, and oil and gas. By compensating workers with danger money, employers can encourage them to continue working in difficult and potentially dangerous situations, while also helping to offset the risks involved.